Do you want to know the 10 best Metaverse stocks to buy in 2022? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about top 10 best Metaverse stocks to buy in 2022. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, please make sure you watch the video until the end, so you can find 10 best Metaverse stocks to buy in 2022. Make sure, like, and subscribe the channel. Disclaimer, the content of the video is not financial advice, but only done for educational and entertainment purpose only. Digitalization of our daily lives is a trend that has never been more prevalent than now in the market, as the Metaverse becomes one of the hottest topics to start off 2022. What are the top 10 best Metaverse stocks to buy in 2022? There are many new players on the markets as of recently, as well as many long-time existing companies who want to get on board with the Metaverse. This video will outline more about the Metaverse, why we should pay attention to it, and highlight some of the companies which may be interesting to either trade or invest in throughout 2022 and beyond. What is a Metaverse stock? As the Metaverse is most certainly an up-and-coming topic, it is important to understand what the Metaverse is, in order to understand the value behind Metaverse stocks. The Metaverse is basically a virtual world, which has the potential to encompass everything we do in the real world. From buying real estate, buying art, attending events, or conversing as your own avatar with others, in both social and business environment, all is becoming possible in the Metaverse. Much of this hype is thanks to the news of Facebook changing its name to Meta Platforms in October 2021. You may remember how people reacted to the concept of the internet before its time, cyberspace, as it was called. When it comes to defining what is a Metaverse stock, it can be viewed in two general scenarios at this point. Scenario 1, a company type, which could be considered a Metaverse stock, focuses solely on the Metaverse, or related technologies like AI, AR, and VR. Most likely, but not always, it can be considered one of the newcomers. Scenario 2 are companies which have a well-defined presence in the stock market for their respective industry, although they do not appear to have a direct heavy link with the big tech world. That said, these scenarios, companies are making just as much effort as the others to make their mark in the Metaverse industry. Investing or trading in the Metaverse is on the minds of both traders and investors, which is to absolutely no surprise. How can you either trade or invest in the Metaverse industry as part of your strategy? At Admirals, you have the option to both trade on over 3,000 stock of CFD, as well as invest in stocks via the well-known MetaTrader 5 platform. Using either trade Mount 5 or invest Mount 5 with Admirals, you can manage both your trading and investing activity from one convenient platform. What are the top 10 best Metaverse stocks? As you may be aware, many public companies are on board with the Metaverse integration trend, and this can give us valuable clues to the potential future stock performance. We can only speculate at this point, or any point, for that matter. Given recent news, past performance, reputation, and plans for the future, we have developed a list of the potentially top 10 best Metaverse stocks for year 2022. Here each stock, we summarize the factors behind each, and highlight how you can either invest or trade. The number 10 is Walmart. There's absolutely no surprise that Walmart is looking to cash in on the Metaverse opportunity. Walmart is transforming the whole customer shopping experience, giving a positive outlook into the stock's future. Walmart plans to create its own cryptocurrency and NFT collection. The company has already filed pending trademarks to sell virtual goods. The number 9 is Adobe. Adobe products are something every modern individual use or has used. They are incredibly familiar With software covering creative function, digitalization of documents, and experience, they could be a great contender in the metaverse play. Adobe's Experience Cloud, heavily reliant on artificial intelligence, could be a driver in data collection for upcoming metaverse functions. Adobe is considered a leader in the digital experience industry. The number 8 is Unity Software. Unity Software, a video game development platform, is sitting in the front row of potential when it comes to both desktop and mobile games. An area which will have an inevitable impact from the metaverse stock evolution. Unity is known for creating 2D and 3D real-time content. Unity offers tools to help optimize and monetize in-app purchase and ads. Number 7 is CrowdStrike. Endpoint security software provider, CrowdStrike Holdings, holds its main advantage in the fact that its software is built for the cloud. Cloud-based security software will certainly be the go-to for metaverse data security implementation, making Crowd a possible frontrunner. Customers include the Pokémon Company, who are heavily moving into metaverse implementation. According to Seeking Alpha and other stats leaders, Crowd has huge growth potential. The number 6 is Immersion. One of the first companies in haptic technology, Immersion has had some questionable performance in the past. However, the metaverse evolution is something that could pose as a big opportunity for the company. Customers of the IMMR licensed technology include Sony, Samsung, Google, Apple, among others, making for a potentially promising future. IMMR are pioneers in haptic tech, holding 1,700 plus patents, both issued and pending. The number 5 is VUZIX Corporation, one of the pioneers of wearables and smart fashion tech. Their capabilities in the smart optics field make them a good contender as a key player in the metaverse boom. VUZIX is attending 2 investor conferences to discuss the future of its potential R or VR smart glasses. While the current price of VUZIX is $7.52, its 52-week range varies from $7.34 to $32.43, showing it could be undervalued given upcoming events. The number 4 is NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA has been a top quality stock for quite some time now, and it's likely the metaverse is about to increase its potential further. NVIDIA manufactures graphic processing units, which are essential to gaming computers and gaming equipment. 2 areas essential to the metaverse. NVIDIA is also perceived to be one of the most important chips and semiconductors companies, holding a large market share of 83% as of November 22, 2021. Number 3 is ROBLOX Corporation. Gaming company ROBLOX, who launched its IPO earlier in 2021, may be the most perfectly suited metaverse stock on the list, due to its core offering of being as entertainment platform. ROBLOX offers games where users can interact via 3D worlds. As of January 5, 2022, its 52-week range varies from $60.5 to $141.6, showing potential for short-term swing trading. Currently, ROBLOX boasts 43.2 million of daily active users, and growing. Engagement hours have increased significantly from 2018 to 2021, a key performance indicator for the value and growth rate of the stock price. The number 2, Microsoft. Many mega-cap, classic companies, such as Microsoft, are paying attention to the metaverse evolution. Microsoft has always successfully implemented new technologies at the right time. For example, its cloud business, Microsoft Azure, is leading second in cloud services, only behind Amazon. Microsoft Teams plans to launch Mesh, a software for people to collaborate virtually, in person, via their avatars. This software will make it possible to hire staff virtually, hold events, presentations, and more. From 2002 to 2021, Microsoft has had both steady and progressive growth, making it a reputable investment choice for the potential long term. The number one is Meta Facebook. Naturally, the company who took the lead in metaverse integration takes the first spot, based on the sole fact that Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp user bases cover the majority of the planet. The potential success of Meta impact on the metaverse is inevitable. Facebook acquisition of Oculus was its entry point into the hardware space. Meta platforms are working towards the future core target of an AR or VR platform experience. Project Cambria, a VR or AR headset, is said to launch in 2022 via its proprietary Oculus hardware. FB has shown both volatility in the short term and consistent growth over the long term. Since its inception onto the market in 2012. Given the statistics and future plans, there can be many viable market moves with Meta. Always keep in mind the importance of thorough analysis before making any trading or investing. Keep your risk management strategy at the forefront of your activity. Not many, or any, aspects of this world are a guarantee. However, the potential of the metaverse, and how it will affect our daily lives, is most certain. Whether the public wants to be involved in the progression or not, we can see clearly, via various industries and verticals, that metaverse adoption is both popular and inevitable. That said, we still have a long way to go. We are only in the early stages, such a monumental potential shift, which means this could be the ideal time to build your metaverse portfolio. What do you think of the projection for the top 10 best metaverse stocks? Do let us down on the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more informative content, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.